activities ka ngayon?
Ako-
Sinamahan mo ng mga activities?
Ano yung, alam mo yung lesson na natutunan ko at talagang na I took seriously last year was mental health. Mental health ba?
Yes.
Kasi ako
Tama.
growing up, I've always been sensitive naman about it sa iba't ibang tao. Pero ako never talagang na-touch sa akin yun. Then last year talagang I really took it seriously. Talagang okay that there's really such thing as yung mga mental health awareness and all that. So what I did sa second half ng last year until now, so yung parang discovering yourself. So yung mga nagtitrip ka with yourself, you know, nag-long, kasi mahilig ako mag-drive so yung mga long road trips, kung saan-saan, nag-local trips na, beach trips, gano'n, just to discover more about yourself.
Tama.
Tsaka, in terms of sport, once in a while, nag-golf ako. Pero...
Magaling siya mag-golf in fairness.
Oo. Ay, hindi. Yabang eh. Oo!
Oh, magaling mo! Wow! Sana all mabili Gaspi.
Pero
Wow.
besides that, like what I mentioned po kanina, yung business venture. So talagang doon ako nakatutok para kumita naman. Kasi kung hindi ka
Negosyante.
naka-focus sa business. So yun.
Pero yung mental health, paano yun yung talagang naging aware ka kung what's going on, kung meron kang
Oo.
tama yun.
Kasi, siguro, I was in both places. Naintindihan ko yung ibang tao na sinasabi nila na maarte lang yun, yung tao na yun. Pero I got to see the different side of it na talagang hindi eh. Yung talagang yung totoo nagsasabi na they're struggling with their mental health. Now I can really believe them because napagdaanan ko yun. Kasi usually, I mean, there's some people na sadly na ina-abuse nila yun, na fake yun. Pero yung katotohanan nun, like, if you really have a friend or a family member or a workmate talagang going through it, alagaan mo sila. So that's really true. And I think that's good awareness on my end. So
Tama.
bilang ako extrovert, I like making new friends, I like helping others around me. It gave me awareness to check on my friends, my family members, and of course, my loved ones. Kung okay sila, isang ganun lang yung parang, kamusta ka? Okay ka
totoo.
lang. I think I became a better person because of that.
Grabe naman!
At dahil dyan ito po ang kapuso ba? Tissue box natin, mga suki.
Uy,
Ang dami natin ganito sa bahay.
ay totoo, ay naku,
Yeah.
parang alam ko na, kaya pala, parang naubusan, may
Pasensya
time na
na.
na-shortage tayo ng tissue.
Kami po
Dahil sa'yo.
yung Gaspi family po yun.
Meron ng mga nakapayan na, no? Pero tama po yan, totoo yun yung parang akala lang natin pang-i-inarte ganyan. Pero totoo yan. And pray for the person kung meron man siyang pinagdadaanan or anxiety. Pero ang pinaka-the best dyan, yung awareness. Alam mo na nandun ka sa estado na yon. And kung hindi mo kaya, seek help sa mga expert or lalo na yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan mong tao, lumapit ka doon. Hindi sa ichichika mo lang kung kani-kanino na hindi naman makakatulong sa'yo. Okay?